Have you ever felt like Instagram is limiting your interactions? Maybe fewer people are seeing your posts, your engagement has dropped, or your account feels stuck. If so, you're not alone. Instagram's algorithm constantly evaluates how users interact with content. When engagement slows down, it can feel as though your account has been restricted. The good news is that there are several ways to improve your reach and get your interactions back on track. First, focus on creating content that encourages genuine engagement. Ask questions in your captions, use polls and interactive stickers in stories, and reply to comments as quickly as possible. Instagram rewards accounts that create meaningful conversations. Second, be consistent. Posting regularly helps Instagram understand that your account is active and valuable to users. You don't need to post multiple times a day, but maintaining a steady schedule can make a big difference. Third, avoid spam-like behavior. Excessive liking, following, unfollowing, or repetitive commenting can trigger Instagram's automated systems and potentially reduce your visibility. Always use the platform naturally and authentically. Another important step is reviewing your account status. Instagram provides tools that can show whether your content is eligible for recommendations. If any issues are detected, follow the platform's guidance to resolve them. Finally, remember that growth takes time. Instead of chasing quick results, focus on building a real community around your content. Authentic engagement is more valuable than any shortcut. If you're ready to stop limiting your Instagram interactions, start by creating better conversations, posting consistently, and engaging genuinely with your audience. Over time, these simple habits can help improve your reach and strengthen your presence on the platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Instagram tips and social media insights.